Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to do an SEO audit for a roofing company in Boston. So we have here the area, which is the Boston, MA, Massachusetts. And the keyword that I just went to Google and type in roof repair Boston. So you can see here the results for this keyword. So we have here some sponsored posts, the local map pack. So this is like the local SEO. They're doing well. Then we have here people also ask. So I'm actually using an extension that it provides an infinity scroll. So you can see here, we don't have, Google doesn't break into pages, but it has the numbers, what rank these websites have when you search it on Google. So you can see here, rank 15, 17, 18. So we're just going to go to around rank 30 and see what we find. All right, so we have here BND Construction and Painting, their meta title. So you have here the meta title, 24/7 emergency roof repairs in Boston. So they do have the keyword roof repair Boston. And you can also see here highlighted in the meta description, roofing repairs Boston. So they don't have the exact keyword match, but you can see here in the bold letters that they do have some variations of that keyword. This one is actually an extension just to easily see the authority score, how many number of visits this page gets, and bounce rate is pretty high. So meaning people are going to this page and then after about 5 seconds, they bounce out or they close the page or they go back to the search results. So that's what you want to try to avoid when you're creating a page. You want people to stay on your website and not close it as soon as they get into your website. And they at least need to interact with or engage with your page. Maybe click a button, scroll down the page, click a link. So that should help with bounce rate. So as we can see here, the website actually looks really good, but the page, it doesn't have enough information for clients to stay, for users to stay on this page. So yes, emergency roof repair in Boston. So they have the keywords here, roof repair, Boston. Let's do some quick audit here. So this is their meta title. Their meta description is actually a bit short. If we compare it to previously, so one of the ranking factors is actually H1. So I'm using a tool here, SEO Meta, and they don't actually have an H1. So this can easily be tagged as an H1. H1 is usually your page title. So you do have here 24/7 roof repairs in Boston, MA. So you're just kind of repeating what you have here. You also have here. So that's already too much of the keyword, but nothing more about like the information itself about emergency. So you have here call to actions like review us. You want your first call to action to be free estimate. Just too many things are going here. Yes, you have here the questions, free estimate, get in touch, review us. So there's a lot of things going on in this page, or there's a lot of actions that you're asking the clients to take, and the most highlight is review us. So basically, when the users land on the page, you want them to see the action that you want them to take. So this is a service page. So instead of review us, you want your highlight to be to either get a free estimate or get in touch, right? Because why would people want to review you as soon as they search your website, as soon as they reach your page? Why would they want to review you if they haven't yet worked with you? So usually review us, I don't think you don't need to put it on your website as much as you want to highlight the action that you want the user to take, which is to get a free estimate. You can actually redirect your client to a separate page to create a review and then publish it on this page if you like, because I do see here some reviews, but you don't want them to go on this page and then the first thing that they notice is review us. You want to get them on a call, get them to sign up a form to get a free estimate or get them to call you. And another thing that I noticed here is hand nailing. I'm not sure what this is for. I don't think, as someone as a user, point of view of the user, I'm not sure how this relates to like the emergency roof repairs. So this might not be a good place to have here. So what you can actually do in this case is, let's scroll back up to organic results. So I have here roofing contractors. This is Angeles, so not really what we want. But we're trying to find. You can see here these pages here doesn't even have like the exact keyword compared to the one that we reviewed, but they're on top of the list. Well, let's see what they have. You can see here they have a high authority score. They have a lot of visits. Oh, this is BBB, so not really about this one. Authority score is very high, number of visits, but actually the keyword isn't there. So there's a potential to rank higher for this keyword, basically. So as you can see here, roofing in Boston, MA. So they have Boston roofing services, roof replacement. They have all this information, roofing types, different roofing types, financing options, preferred contractor, roof reviews. So they break it down into smaller sections to make it more easier for users to scroll down the page and see what information they're looking for from this page. This would be a good start to mirror how your page should look like. So maybe you can put here, what are the different types of emergency roof repairs, different roofing types, and what kind of emergencies they experience from these types of roofs. There are financing options if you have any preferred contractors, and then break it down. Here are our clients, not necessarily your clients, but here are reviews from your clients or testimonials, which is actually good. And then another call to action here to get them to know you more. So this one doesn't really break it down, and this one just pushes the other services. So you want this one to be smaller, maybe add this at the sidebar as well, and then make the emergency roof repair a bit bigger. And here you're going to see they have a chat option here as a call to. They do have contact us at the top, free estimate here. So you already know going in, they can easily see the contact button or this telephone number here. And when they scroll down, they can also see the telephone number here, instant quote. So they don't ask their users to review, because the intention of this page is to get their information so they can get a quote from you, right? So you want to make sure that you have the right intent, the right search intent when creating the page. So this one is the other one, the fourth rank. So you could already see here, get free estimate, right? That's their call to action. You can also see here, get started. But actually, just using the same words would be easier, like get free estimate. Because usually users' eyes go from left to right, right to left, like a Z. And then they see here the number, which is actually good. But I would actually remove the social icons, because you got the users to go to your website. You don't want them to leave. So you want them to stay inside the website. So here, there's social proof here. So that's something that you can copy as well. So you have social proof, certified GAF, 5-star rated. Here, they mention like some of the services, commercial roofing repairs. So you can also break this down. Emergency roofing repairs. Is this just for residential? Is this for commercial? You can break that down as well. So like they offer roof replacement. So they break down the page very easily. So user experience is high in the ranking. So again, another social proof, JPR experience, customers, completion, schedule a free consult today, another social proof. So actually they have the icons here. They can just leave it there. And what would make this page better is if you add an FAQ section at the bottom where you answer most of the popular questions for these kinds of keywords. You can also look into here, people also ask section. So these are the questions that the users normally ask Google. And you can click here to see, like, this is usually the what you can add in the FAQ section at the bottom. Like, they're normally asking like how much it would cost. What is the meaning of roof repair? Maybe they want to know like the scope of the roof repair. So that's something that you can add. How do I estimate roof replacement? Just making sure that you cover all of the questions that they have, so that like it also adds to your authority, your experience in this field. So that's some of the things that I would actually change in this page, and maybe add some more information that is specific to just the Boston information. Maybe open a few more pages or a few more websites to like get information of. See what else they have here. Here they actually have a Boston roof cost calculator, so that would actually be a good way to get people stay on the website here. So you can see they have an FAQ section. So what type best for Great Boston, cost, why we don't offer repairs. They actually don't. Adding a map to their service pages would also be a good idea. So they can easily, like, if they get on the page, they can easily click on the Google map. They can go to the direction or get other information like their phone number, read other reviews and whatnot. Maybe add a gallery as well. Like, what a good way to like showcase your expertise is to also add a gallery. This is a photo, but a before and after photo would be good for the repair, the emergency repair, what it looked like, and then the after project. Yeah, you can easily top this page if you update the content of the page. You just need to have the user intent in there, search intent. And I also noticed that the keyword roofing repair or roof repair is not on the URL or on the slug. So usually it's best practice to have it in the URL, in the meta title, and in H1 and somewhere around your page. So that would be a good way to start. So I'm not going to dive into anything else for the moment. I'm just going to review this page for now. But hopefully I can do more audits on other website pages, see what else we can do to improve that page. And if you want to see more of this, how to improve your page moving forward, how to get more out of your service pages, leave a comment below. If you want us to review your or audit your website, feel free to like leave your message, leave a comment, leave your website in the comment section below, and we'll see how we can get to reviewing your website next. So if you like to see more of this moving forward, if you need help, then this is something that we do for our clients, like audit their website and then provide suggestions on how we can improve it. We actually provide a free audit where we audit your entire website and then provide you with recommendations on what we feel is needed to improve your entire website, to increase their rankings in Google. And you can choose, the audit is no commitment. So you can choose to do the recommendations yourself, or if you feel like you have no time to implement it or you don't have a team to implement it for you, feel free to contact us and we can hop on a call to like discuss how we can work together. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.